Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nushi, and today I'm coming at you guys with a brand new video. This video is going to be another Fashion Nova try-on haul. Woo! You guys, I have some fall pieces for you guys, but I just have some of my favorites. You guys know that once a month I do like to bring you guys my favorites. I am technically bi-coastal, so things aren't going to make sense per season, I'll say, but I like to call this my fall try-on haul. If you guys like this, don't forget to subscribe, comment, rate, and let me know which item is your favorite, which ones are you gonna pick up, and make sure you leave any questions that you have down below in the comment section. And all the information is down in the description box. Let's get started. So guys, I get monthly pickups, and the first item I wanted to show you guys from Fashion Nova is this beautiful outfit that I got from Fashion Nova. You guys, first of all, this one is so out of like my usual style. These kind of prints, never. This kind of skirt, never. But I absolutely love it. I'm so glad I gave it a chance. You know, I saw this outfit actually on the model. I'll put the picture here for you, and I thought it was so cute, and I'm like, I think I could pull that off. You guys know I've been trying to change my style, so it's so interesting to put this together and actually like it. I wasn't expecting to like it as much as I did, and I actually need to wear this somewhere. So give me some ideas where you guys think I should wear something like this, or where I could wear something like this. Really love it. The skirt is beautiful and it fits perfectly. I thought the fringes would be weird for me, but it actually wasn't. I think it looks really good, and it kind of like accentuates your curves, which is interesting. You wouldn't expect that. You would think it would be unflattering, but it's actually very flattering. It's super stretchy and it is long. You guys know I'm 5'10", so it's even longer if you're shorter. So make sure you get your appropriate size. I would say that it's pretty true to size, but it is super stretchy. So if you want to size down, you can maybe go one size down. I wouldn't go 2 sizes down, just because, you know, when you stretch that kind of fabric, it ruins the print. You know what I mean? Also, that top, 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 20. If I could get every single color, I would. Like, that top is incredible. I wore it like this with, like, you know, around my neck, but I also wore it just regular. I wore it out. I wore it for the haul, and I just thought this shirt was so cute. Like, people loved it. People complimented me. It definitely accentuates the girls. I love tops like this. I love a halter top, number one. And number two, I love those tops that aren't like, the bust isn't too close together, because my breasts aren't that close together. So this just makes my boobs like almost fake. I love it. So yeah, and it's just black. It's just a plain black top, but it's so universal. You could dress it up, you could dress it down. So definitely go pick this top up, you guys. It's a banger. You could wear it with the skirt. If you find a skirt, make sure you pick that up. Like, that is a staple piece to wear. You need it in your wardrobe. Next. So the next thing I got was this dress. I absolutely love it. You guys, I love bronze on my skin. Like, this is like my 3rd bronze dress. I love it. And I actually want like I want to get like or make a jumpsuit that's like bronze. I gotta sketch it out, but I absolutely love this. I love that it's not too long, but it's not too short on me, because when I get a mini dress, like, it's almost 100% that my ass gonna be falling out. Like, let's just be real. But I don't have a problem with this dress. It's very cute, it's stretchy, and it's flattering. You don't have to worry about it like overstretching or dimpling anywhere. It smooths the body, which I really like. I would wear this for like New Year's, or like my birthday, or like an event, because I think that the bronze kind of pops, and you want to wear it for something big. If you have like a dress that stands out like this, it's almost equivalent to like glitter, you know? So I think it looks really good. I think it looks really good on melanated skin. The darker the better. It will definitely make your skin pop. I feel like I look like a trophy. I really like it. So make sure you guys pick this up. Again, everything's gonna be down below, the sizing and everything. I cannot remember. Next piece. You guys, this dress, I actually got it to like cut off the bottom and wear as a shirt, But I love the dress. I can't cut it. It's bomb. I didn't think it was going to even fit me, you guys. I got it in a size large. I remember this because I was like, I don't have that much breast, so I don't need to get like an extra large or 1X. Like, I'm just going to get it in the size of my top because I'm going to cut it anyway. But you guys, it actually fit. And, you know, my bottom is 60 inches. So if your bottom is smaller, it's going to fit you. Don't worry about it, girl. Make sure you get it. I would say go by your bust size, because clearly the bottom is, you know, adjustable, or it is one size fits most. So I would just go by your bust size if you're gonna get this dress. I definitely like it. I think it's like a good club banger. I don't know if I would wear it necessarily on a date night, just because it's really like risque. Like if things wanted to fall out, they could. And I think that's enough for me not to wear it on a date night. It's a little too provocative. But like to the club, yeah, I would wear it. I don't even go to the club anymore, so that's what I was gonna wear as a shirt. But I think I'm gonna save this for like an out of town kind of outing. Because if I'm out of town, like in a different country or whatever, I will wear this out. I will wear this to the club. Yeah, this is for the girls that like to show a little skin. So the girls with the long legs. I love like the asymmetrical look. I love the sheer points. It's just so cute. And it has like the effect of like a corset. Definitely cinches you in. You guys, this is another banger. I don't know. This is a haul full of bangers, I would say. The next 3 items are jeans. This first pair of jeans is so cute. I love like the beige, like tan tint to them. I love jeans that aren't just like plain old jeans, because I want to be able to see a vision with my jeans. And I feel like with plain old jeans, you tend to want to throw on like a white tee or a black tee and just go. I want to elevate my look. Like I told you, I want to get creative with my outfits. So I feel like when I have something like this, it gives me a chance to add some dimension to the look. So cute. I think the fit is perfect. It's long. It goes all the way to the floor. I did size up. I got a size 20, and it's because I like this like baggy look. I've been looking for the mom jean look for a while, and I finally got it with Fashion Nova, and so I'm kind of like stuck to it. I don't know if it's necessarily still in style, but it's my style. So the next 2 pairs you're gonna see are pretty much this style. So let's continue. All right, guys, so these next pair of jeans are these jeans that I got from Fashion Nova, and they are the lighter wash. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I don't really like light wash jeans. I feel like they're kind of tacky a little bit, like, but sometimes they're necessary. There's certain things you wear. You cannot wear a dark wash jean. You just can't. And this is one of those jeans that I would throw in on those random times where I'm like, damn, only a light wash jean would go with this. You know what I mean? And sometimes when I'm wearing like a dark shirt like this, I do want a light wash jean so I can throw on a lighter shoe for it to make sense. And like, this is definitely what I would pick up. I love that it's long, and I love the fit of it. I have like obviously the wrong panties on for this. I do like to wear like no panties and like a crop top because I like my back dimples to show. So I think it's so cute when it fits like this, but you can also like get out, you know, these are a little bit lower rise, but they have high rise jeans on Fashion Nova too. So if you don't necessarily like the fit of the jeans that I'm trying on, you don't have to go with these. Like they have other fits 100%, but this is just what I like. I like these fits. So yeah, again, it's that baggy look. So it's like the mom jean effect, and I'm gonna stick with this for a while. I'm gonna be rocking with this style. So all right, guys, so this last pair of jeans are from Fashion Nova again, of course, and these jeans are just like your typical denim wash. I feel like these jeans I've worn probably the most because they're so universal. Like I said, you could just throw them on with like a white tee, black tee, whatever. And they've just kind of fit into my wardrobe perfectly. I just wore them in DC. I love how long they are. They are the same jean as the first one. I definitely think that everyone should find a pair of regular jeans that fit them really well, straight leg jeans that fit them really well. and add them to their collection. Fashion Nova is good for that. Actually, when I wear these jeans in DC, my cousin was like, where did you get those jeans? And she's like, you know, she never shopped on Fashion Nova before. And she told me that she's gonna start shopping on there because she's like, those fit you so well. And I think that that's what people sleep on. Fashion Nova has so many selections. So you're bound to find your perfect pair. Like, honestly, I know because there's so many options, it's hard to find things. And so much trial and error. But the good thing is that they do have so many options. And once you try something, you're able to look at the description and compare it to what you have. So what matters is the material, the cut of the pants, the sizing. Does it run big? Does it run small? A lot of people don't pay attention to that part. And the reviews. The reviews are my best friend. Those people in the reviews are my best friends. Like, I rely on them so much for their critiques because a lot of people will put their height, their weight, their measurements, and let you know how it fits them. And usually I can determine how it's going to fit me based off that. I do think that they should include the sizing and the fit of how it fits the model. Like, I think they should include the model's measurements, their height, and what size they're wearing, so you can kind of gauge, especially if you buy it and you see like a similar jean with the same model and they're wearing it, you can kind of gauge if it fits you, if it will fit you, and how it will fit you. So I think they should add that. But there is a lot of little hints and clues that you can use to find your perfect fit. And you know, I'm an advantage because I get to try these different ones on, but take it from me, you guys, there is a perfect one for you. And if you've been watching my channel for a long time, you know that I will definitely give you my honest critique, and I would definitely give as much information as I can. So if you guys have any questions, if you need help with sizing, if you want to put in the comment section a specific jean that you want help with figuring out what size you're supposed to be, please leave it down below. And I will be doing a full jean haul, guys. I'm so excited. That will be probably my next video, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. I don't have anything else to tell you except for I love you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.